Where to invest in AI? Is a good investment? Is just hype? You wanna know the last information about AI world? Yes, then smash that like button cause it's time for AY's your show about technology and AI. We are talking in past videos about the fight we have with the big four and the big six. We have Microsoft, we have Elon Musk and Tesla, we have Apple, we have Meta. Everybody fighting to get a position in the war of the AI. Which one is the one we should invest in? Which one is going to be the winner? We talk about that also in Fun on the Right, and we relate this with cryptos. So today we talk about how to invest, where to invest in AI. And as I have no clue, I have no idea, this is not financial advice, I just go to the experts and the billionaires to see what they're saying. And here we have Chamath Palihapitiya, and he's telling us that he has no clue which one is going to be the winner. Is it going to be Amazon? Is it going to be Meta? We don't know. But what he can tell you, what he believes is going to be the one that loses a lot. Which one is that? That's Google. And that's because you can understand that we have all these applications now in order to search. So maybe we change the way we search things on the internet, and we get used to the chatbot, and we get used to the answer the chatbot gives us. So he predicts that we may lose 10-15% of use for the platform. That would be a lot, and that may be a bad thing for Google and the stock of Google Alphabet. So talking about stock and stock market, here we have the Nasdaq, the index, where we can see all these technology companies going down the last year, and we'll see about this year if it's going to be another red year for technology or not. And here you can see Tesla, you can see Microsoft, you can see Amazon, etc. You can see that the trend is that all of them go up, but then last year went down and then up again by the moment. We can go to tradingview.com. You have the link in the description. If you want to do things like myself, you have there a discount and you help the channel. Thank you very much. And you can see that year to date, well, Apple is up 15-16%, Microsoft is up 5%, Google 5%, Amazon is 11% up. So it's been a good year. But Nvidia is going 61% up. So we have to talk not just about the usual suspects like Apple and Microsoft, but also some other companies like in this case Nvidia. You can see here Google's trend, and last year how was it? A bad one. Maybe we broke this line and it's going to be bad time for Google Alphabet. We'll see about that. Here Amazon, again a bad year and breaking the trend. Here we have Tesla, maybe still in the positive for Tesla. Microsoft, that in the past was so alone in this fight, but now has to share with all those companies. And even though the competition is tough right now, Microsoft going up, but last year we see about Microsoft. Also Apple, they want to fight too. They had a rough year, last one, but they're going up and we find support in this random line. Also, for Meta, we have our concerns. Remember that Facebook had a lot of trouble. Now we'll see if Meta is the one that is better positioned for this fight or it's not anymore. We have to watch them. We will in next videos, so just keep on watching. And now, some competitors. I was telling you about Meta, Metaverse. Let's talk about it now. This article is telling you that some companies believe that the metaverse is not going to be a reality, maybe in 20 years. And also augmented reality is not going to be a reality, maybe in 10 years. So that's why Microsoft bought ChatGPT, bought OpenAI. And how did they bought it? Well, they fired like 10,000 employees from those divisions of augmented reality and metaverse. This is a concern. This is something that we should be scared about. Well, this expert is telling us that it's okay, that for those huge companies, this is something usual. And what they do is they start the project for the metaverse or AI, and then they realize that it's going to take a long time till this is a reality adopted by everybody. With the metaverse, the devices are not okay yet. Also, you get dizzy and it's not clear how are we going to use those applications in the immersion of the metaverse. Augmented reality, it's better, but still maybe we are 10 years for real adoption. So now they put the money in something that they believe is going to be faster. In this case, AI. So we will follow this trend. Remember, we have now 2 videos about the fight of all those companies. You can learn there if it's a good or bad opportunity, where to invest our money if you are interested in this technology and AI. But maybe you want to invest not just in the companies fighting for the applications or the browsers or the bots. Maybe you want to invest in some companies that will provide the hardware that those need. Like, for example, NVIDIA, we told you 61% up, and now they are 30,000 reasons happy because of ChatGPT, because they say that once ChatGPT is not free anymore, we're going to need 30,000 chips that they provide. So yes, they have competitors, but if it's true that everybody's going to need those chips, well, you can picture that NVIDIA is going to go crazy up. You remember, NVIDIA was okay with gaming, but it was crazy when all the crypto bros started mining Bitcoin and Ethereum and all others. Now it's not a business as big as it was, but it fell, but now it's going up again because they found another reason for everybody to buying those chips, which is AI. They will rely in their product, and they believe that for 2031 the chip market for AI is going to be $263 million. So crazy, a lot of money there. Now NVIDIA has 80% of that industry, so we'll see about their competitors. Maybe even you want to invest not in this company, not in this hardware, but in the elements they need to build them. And there are 3 Taiwanese companies that provide those elements, which are Nanya PCB, Kinsus, and Unimicron, according to this article. Also, TSMC will create circuits for NVIDIA. So maybe we have to go there to put our money. What you gonna do? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Here we can see NVIDIA, the company. You can see the trend. We'll see if NVIDIA is the winner in the long run. And also some others, for example, Snapchat now competing with Bing and Google. They have their own chat bot. It's called My AI, and they want to be different because of user experience. So it's going to be friendly. We'll see about that. Here we see the stock for the Snap is not as good as the other ones. Maybe AI is what Snap needs in order to go up again. We'll see about that. And Mark Zuckerberg and Meta, they are saying that, yes, they are going to be late to this run, but they are going to fight. So now he's putting a lot of people working for AI and integrating it into Instagram and WhatsApp. It's going to have an AI called Llama, and it's going to be different from the others, allegedly, because it's going to be lighter. So you can use it in those apps, in your cell phone, with no trouble. We'll see which one is the one that wins in the end. Mark Zuckerberg is telling us here that he sees the potential of all this. He's not telling us that the app Llama is going to be able of doing all what ChatGPT and all those can do, but he understands the potentials and wants in. In the crypto world, we have a lot of crypto allegedly related with AI. You know that I'm skeptic about that. If you want to know the most important ones right now, according to this article for 2023, well, those are again Singularity Net, AGIX, Fetch AI, FED. We have Numerai, and we have Cortex. I don't really know if we really need to mix blockchain and cryptography with AI right now. And remember that Andre Crunch told us that those are like oil and water, that you don't need them right now. But the FOMO is there. So maybe we should invest there if you want to speculate. This is not financial advice. I'm not gonna do it. But you can see here that this year it was a good year for all those protocols. Ocean, Deep Red Chain, even Fetch, AGIX. And you can see even that when Bitcoin went down in January and also in February, well, you can see at that point that these two, those are representative of the rest, they went up. So Bitcoin was going down, but the hype for AI was up here and also here. Bitcoin going down, but AGIX going up, and here Fed's AI being flat, even going up. So the hype is strong. Remember that you have a lot of videos in Fun on the Right about this, and we said that most of this is scam. Be careful. We have a strong Bitcoin here, and AI was asked if Bitcoin was a transformer. You can see it here. This would be Ethereum. This would be BNB coin. Here you have Ripple. Here Cardano, Nino. You have Dogecoin here. I love this one. And you also have here Uniswap, the unicorn. I like this one too. Congratulations to the AI that generated it. Also, the Bored Apes, here you have it. So funny as a transformer. And a lot of people trying to make money with this. Of course, she said is trying to make money. Now they launched an application to generate NFTs that allegedly are created through AI. So it was a disaster. It broke the minute they launched it. And then when it was okay, well, everybody bought them again because of speculator reasons, just to see if they can make a quick buck. So we need people using it for good, for real, because they need it, because there is a real case for the use and not because of speculative reasons. Now today I also fell for the FOMO of some stupid apps maybe, but so funny. Here you know that we have a lot of memes in the crypto world. Well, I like this app. It's called mememorph.com. You have a link in the description. It's a referral code, so maybe I can make some money with this, and it takes $6. So what they do is they're using, I don't know if it's Midjourney, maybe it's Stable Diffusion, I don't know. The idea is that they have an AI where you're going to put your face there and you'll be in all the memes we love. So I did that. I installed the app in my cell phone, and then I drag, or in your computer, then I drag my pictures there. It has to be like face and middle body. You have to put there 20 of them. And finally, the learning machine is going to learn about you, and you will be integrated in those memes, which I believe it's so funny. But I can't tell you how is it gonna look, because for my surprise, it's going to take 180 minutes to learn about my face and integrate me. So I will tell you in next video. Sorry for that. And also I want to tell you about not just this app. You can see here the memes like Leonardo DiCaprio, etc. We're going to be in, but also this app, which is so cool, called unscreen.com. We told you about how to remove the background in a picture in the past. Go to funontheright.com. You have all these applications there. You can find them there. But now we have the same for a video, which is awesome. You can see here a TikTok video that I downloaded through sssstick.io, and then I uploaded the clip into unscreen.com. Links in the description. And here you can see that I can change the background we had for that CryptoNews Express. Maybe we are now in the city, or maybe we are now skating. Just imagine how crazy stuff you can do with this. I tried with this other video, the last CryptoNews, but the image was not very good, so it didn't create it a very good job. Here it was better, and it's going to improve in the future. More crypto related news now. Polygon is creating 3D generated by AI NFTs. So again, we're going to see more and more how the worlds of NFTs and AI, in my opinion, are going to mix, as she said is trying to do. More stuff, more cool stuff about technology and AI. Brave, our favorite browser, is going to incorporate Summarizer, so it's fighting too. We like it, but if you are in Spain or a Spanish speaking country, it's not really good right now. I was able of using it just in English, so if you have Spanish as your language, you are not going to be able of seeing this Summarizer. And also you need to use the Brave browser itself, and I prefer to use inside Brave. I like to use Google for the search, because right now for me it's better. I want to prefer Brave, but right now I use Google. So I'm not going to use it right now, but maybe you want to give it a try. Here you can see the example they give. What is the second tallest building in the world? And you have the summarizer that will tell you, so you don't have to search like link by link. That's a huge difference in how we are going to get use of searching things online. So maybe once we are used to this, we don't want to click on all those links, and maybe that's what Palipatilla told us, and that's why Google is going to go south. We'll see about that. I also asked it to summarize Rich Dad Poor Dad, and this is what it did. So yeah, it's cool. Also, we have a video about that book where I summarize the book in 20 minutes. If you want to watch it, it's in our Fun on the Right channel. And now, as you came here all to the end of the video, I tell you about how people are uploading full movies into Twitter. They say that Elon Musk fired so many people that now they can't fight with people uploading full movies in Twitter. So here you have Shrek 2 in HD, and I tried just searching for Shrek in videos, and the second link is the full movie in HD. So if you want to watch movies on Twitter, that's something you can do. I understand this might be illegal, so I will not recommend it to you, and also I disencourage you. This is bad thing. Don't be bad, don't do it. And now let's talk about cats. Here, cool technology. We have this Twitch channel where this guy allow people from the chat to use the mouse to draw, and when they draw a cat here, you have an output with pics-to-pics where you have a real cat that maybe can even fix Cats the movie. So awesome technology, crazy that you can draw something and then you have in just a second something similar to your drawing. What about this application for cats? Maybe you don't understand if your cat is grumpy or is hungry or is sleepy or whatever. Well, you can use this cell phone app. It will make a picture of your cat and you will know if the cat is feeling this or that. Also on app, here we can see a cat trying to understand this technology, but it's not easy. And this one is a little bit annoyed because they are trying to make him understand all about these virtual cats and dogs and something that it doesn't understand. But it's okay, we're going to learn little by little here in AI News if you want to learn in Spanish, or in iWise if you want to learn them in English. So if you want more, just wait to next show here. iWise, smash that like button. Adieu!